Let's go, everyone. Today I'm unboxing a 4-pack of the Philips Sonicare A3 Premium All-in-One Replacement Brush Heads. So it's a 4-pack, color black, fits all Sonicare click-on handles. I use this every night. So I use this head, the A3 at night, the C3 in the morning, just to mix it up. I can't really tell the difference when I use the two different heads. It's the back. Alright, let's get into it. Cut this, just unboxed in my last video, the C3 that I use in mornings. We'll show you how this looks. So black head matches my handle, Sonicare handle. It's also black. It's very nice. Yeah, it's very nice. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get these from. And let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Cool. Catch you all for the next unboxing video, everyone. Take care. Hope you're all doing well. Later.